guys. Yes, you are staring at a staircase, but this is the first video of 2021 that I'm filming. I have a lot to catch you guys up on. Gonzalo and I moved into our first apartment on December 22nd, so I am just going to give you a quick tour. It is not furnished yet. All of our stuff is on back order because of COVID, so this is just going to be a empty little apartment tour. So you are staring at the stairs. Luckily, we got on the second floor, so no one is above us, so we don't hear footsteps, we don't hear kids running around, we don't hear anything really like that at all. So yeah, once you come up the stairs, you can go one of two ways. This door right here is the bathroom, and that is our bedroom. This little door here is just like the utility closet, I guess you could say. We finally have central air and heating. It is magnificent. Before I show you any of like the real details, this little closet, right when you walk around the corner, it just looks like a kind of like a coat closet, right? Wrong. It is our in-unit, a washer and dryer. Perfect. Around here, this is just boring. It's like the heater, the water heater is back there, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I think I'm gonna show you the bathroom first. So if you walk down the hall, also this is a one bedroom. So we're gonna go in here. Oh, a toilet. This is the bathroom. I look horrendous, so you're not gonna see me. The fan does turn on, which is kind of okay. Just basic stuff, laundry, our little toothbrush and toothpaste, soap. I really wanted to show you this because this is a great scent for the bathroom, the Febreze Air Ocean. I'm obsessed with it. And then this is the shower, and this is all of our shower stuff. How beautiful. I've really been loving these. I'm gonna do a little hair update. So if you come in here, oh my goodness, my phone is going off. Okay, so let me take you back because I want to show you. So this is the entrance, right? Came from the bathroom into here. So this is like the only room that's actually set up right. These need to be hung up. These are Gonzalo's things for his little gaming area. This is his nightstand. This is just an overview of our bed. Our bed is actually really high. It comes up to our waist. My waist, actually. We got our bed frame at Amazon for $100, but it's so good. It's so sturdy. And then this is the little area where Gonzalo games. So this is all of his stuff. Our lights, we actually don't have a light fixture. We use the Philips Hue smart lights. So that is what is behind the TV and behind the desk here. And then on the wall, these are the Nano Leaf lights. They're pretty expensive, but they are beautiful, I have to say. This is our little TV stand. There I am. Little TV stand, little heater. And then we have my side. Just have my little computer, my lotion, stuff like that. I wanted to show you guys these pillows. My grandmother had them made for us when we moved in. How freaking cute is that? So adorable. We got two of them. This is like a harder material, and the one over there is a lot softer material. The bedroom is a lot bigger than what we're used to. So that was great. This is our walk-in. We have our mirror in the walk-in. Not gonna show you too much of this because it's kind of boring, but it's the light fixture. We have his side because this is the taller side and this is the shorter side. And God knows I need the shorter side. but that's all our dresser and stuff like that. I'm very weird when it comes to stuff like that because I don't actually like having like a giant dresser or chest in the room. I'd rather it just be the TV and stuff and all of my clothes and stuff put away, like not seen. But yeah, this is just an overview of the whole bedroom. Gorgeous. And then we will walk out into the main area. So this is our kitchen table that my parents gave us when we left because my mom bought a brand new one. The kitchen. Our pathetic little Christmas tree. So we have no couch. It's being delivered. It was supposed to be delivered the day we moved. Because of COVID, it got pushed back a whole month, so we're not getting it until January 22nd. We bought a beautiful 75-inch TV. Gorgeous. Cannot wait to put her on the stand, which is behind me. We also have the Switch here, the PlayStation here. We also have this like little built-in that it came with, which is so cute. I can't wait to decorate that. And we got a little DVD rack, excuse me. But we have our TV stand right here. So we were building and building and building it, building. It's gorgeous. Actually, it comes with this fireplace that goes inside it. So it's gonna look awesome in here. However, once we started building and building and building, got like halfway through, we realized it was missing a piece in the box. So now we have to wait at least 3 to 4 weeks to get that piece in also. So this is what we're rocking with right now. This is the upgraded unit, obviously, as you can tell, of this apartment complex. But yeah, I'm in love with it. I think it's amazing. Today's January 4th also, so the reason why we still have presents under the tree is because we haven't seen the kids recently, our nieces and nephews, so whenever they can come over, we're gonna give them their gifts. Let me just give you a little quick tour of the kitchen. I just have a cute little candle here for now. We have 2 stools that go under this little benchway here. This is the refrigerator, our alcohol, gas, stove, and oven, which is awesome. This is just, I do like a lot of like clean surfaces. Like I do not like clutter at all. Like the more things on the counter, the worse for me. I would rather have nothing on the counter and just take stuff out and put it away than to just have it sit there the whole time. But this is the only thing that I like to have on the counter, which is my little coffee bar here. So just in a little glass jar, I put some Splenda because that's what we use. My little coffee container that we keep our coffee in. I got this from TJ Maxx. It's literally like $6 or something. Our Black & Decker coffee maker. Just general soap, paper towels, and this beautiful girl, this is the Alexa Show. She is awesome. We're actually thinking about getting the Ring doorbell. That way when we have somebody ring the doorbell, we can see who exactly is there. Just because we are new, we don't really know anyone around here, so we want to keep things as safe as we can. And then we have a dishwasher and then more cabinet space here. So in total, this place is about 770 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. And then this is our little deck patio way. This is a sliding door. That's our little fire pit we used to use at the old house. I can't wait to use the fire pit again one day. These are the outside chairs that we're gonna have. I do have 4 of them, so we're gonna put those out there. This is my shark. I'll move these really quickly. That way you guys can see. This is like our storage closet for upstairs.
It just has a boatload of like Halloween decorations, Christmas decorations, a printer, a bunch of stuff that we don't use constantly. But yeah, so I have a lot of updating to do for you guys. We've only been here about, what, 12 days now? But it's definitely starting to feel like home now. We've been through so many changes in like the last 4 weeks. So yeah, that is the whole apartment. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. My next video will definitely just be probably like an update resolutions type of video for the new year of 2020. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.